Wiggins includes Josh Okogie, Robert Covington, and rookie Jarrett Culver from Texas Tech. A little more clean-shaven.
Luka can do whatever he wants to do.
Yes, sir. He's going to kick it out of the first possession of the game for a Dwight Powell three.
Certainly playing well right now. Actually dominating with the exception of the Clipper game. Maverick's been sensational.
Very good 3 and D player, Robert Covington. Luka in the paint, and it will bounce home. Defense very good in the second half with a second straight game as well.
That's where they've improved, Mark.
Alley-oop from Luka.
What? Kristoff has done a tremendous job policing that paint lately. 5 blocks last night. Sensational finish that time by Luka.
Pass to Porzingis. 3 minutes deep into the game. Okogie up on Luka, preventing an open look at a three-pointer. They find Powell again, and he goes to the basket and a scoop to the hoop. 15-107.
Certainly did.
Memphis was missing their best players. Grant didn't play, and Valanciunas played.
Three-pointer by Wiggins. And someone puts, and you're on the same line, and you get a chance to get a rebound.
Oh, my God.
Strategic scramble is what you're saying is foul dogs.
Good things have happened for Dallas early in the game, but they haven't hit a lot of threes, just 2 for 7. And that is a smooth move by Towns, but he's caught from behind by Porzingis.
The tone early offensively for this team.
He's got 1 foul. Now he's got to try to hold off Towns on a post-up, and he scores.
What a beast. Lord have mercy, that was strong.
Down because he's not making shots or not scoring like he normally does.
Towns on the roll. Good defense by Cleveland, but it still falls in.
Big giant dudes that can do it all.
Sensational.
Powell back in. Luka with the ball. Late clock layup.
Stop it.
Just to Jackson in. Dribble handoff to Jalen Brunson. Brunson inside. Got it. Curry. Hitting inside. More points in the paint for the Mavs. Dallas got the ball back. Powell will let it go. He hits a 3 from up top. It's his night, man. 14 points in the first half on a perfect 6 for 6, including 2 3-ball. And now, for the most part, they've given way to the starters. Curry's still out there. Hardaway hasn't come back yet. A reach by Okogie, but Porzingis got the ball back and takes it home with your number calculation.
The future's unlimited, you know.
Here is Luka absorbing contest, going to the basket, and it goes. Injury in the first week of training camp, and then didn't play until the 4th game of the regular season. Luka. And that's an and 1 for Luka.
In that 4th quarter.
Yes. 33 points and 18 rebounds and didn't play in the 4th quarter.
That's pretty amazing.
Tim Hardaway Jr. Yes, sir. Teague passed it up to Covington. Contested 3. Wow. Over Porzingis. Covington. On his threes this year, but he's 41% in the last 7 games, and he is 3 for 4 tonight. Wiggins on the cut, and a layup and a foul. And wow, Minnesota has made a quick move. 2-point advantage. See if Minnesota works the clock the right way to go 2 for 1. Covington down there, pumps, and it's another 3. Minnesota's first lead. There are two Mavericks who were waiting in the vicinity, but Okogie took care of that. And Towns slowly on the post up.
But he'll eat you up. Just one guy trying to defend it down low.
Porzingis over Covington.
I like it.
Good answer.
Maybe greener than that.
Luka. Oh, what a rip by Jarrett Culver.
That's great defense that time.
And he'll shoot a pull-up 3 and nail that.
And then they have some streaky guys from the 3-point line.
Porzingis for 3. Out of a timeout, and a big hit for the Mavs. Sealing inside, Towns knocked away, but it flies out to Wiggins. Wiggins with a drive, underneath to Towns, layup. Covington closed out when Porzingis had that rhythm dribble. And there's Luka slicing through the defense and takes it to the pylon. Towns was 3 for 9 or something like that.
Right, he made that a distant memory.
Here he is, hoisting a 3.
So good.
Opponent. And after Town had the big 3rd quarter, nice by Luka.
Spin cycle. Timeout, Minnesota.
Oh, it was the call of the night so far, because it slowed them down.
Oh, wow. Throw it down on Karl Anthony Towns. everything he's given us. He's on 20 points as Towns separates Minnesota here out of Virginia Commonwealth. Porzingis short on a three. Dallas will have another opportunity. And that's a short three, but Porzingis this time, that won't be short. 5-on-4 right now. Luka catching up to the play as it's in corner three. And it's a corner three that's hit.
Quality shot there.
High quality shot.
And I think he had 2-1 on his mind too, Mark.
Yep.
Let it fly.
4-3. What a putback!
When they go back to that zone, I think they're going to spring that zone on Minnesota again.
Yeah, it'll be real interesting to see where Minnesota turns to for offense.
Wright. Just saw Wright score inside. Now Brunson going to go downhill against Gorgie Chang, and it's a tie game.
Not going to get an argument from me.
Towns, through the hands of Travion Graham. Got the ball back, trying to muscle his way up, and he does and scores. Minnesota goes back in front. Brunson. Step back shot for Jalen Brunson. Nicely done.
Championship situations.
A two-time winner of a championship at Villanova.
And a nice little answer game for him, too.
Towns.
Some issues.
Brunson 4-3. Nails it!
Hit him in the head with it.
Bring in for the rebound.
Jalen Brunson is a baller.
Jackson trail. Bullseye! Timeout, Minnesota. They've got Minnesota.
Yeah.
They have wasted away the clock. They got the ball to Towns in 4 seconds. Finds Katovic Diop, who you'll see him here directly. Kleba goes over to Curry. Back to Kleba. He'll let her in again!
Oh, man, those guys are loving being out there and hitting those shots.
Covington steps into the three. What in the world? Justin Jackson had it raked away on the drive. 2-point game. We got 5:25 to go. Hang on, fellas. Brunson!
Late in games.
4:40 to go. Brunson to Luka. Luka's free for three. First one of the night! All about the timing, baby! Now here's Wiggins. Wiggins going downhill. He'll kick it out. Covington under the defense. Had a steam to the basket to lay it up and in.
This dude is having a special year.
Up by 8 now. Wiggins for three. Got it. Big hit. Big hit. Keeps him connected. Porzingis, a couple of up fakes. Towns stayed down. Brunson slithering around the Porzingis screen. Now he drives straight to the basket. He turned on a dime.
Call him, stay ready.
And it's a bad pass. Okogie late in the clock trying to do too much. Porzingis trail three. Yes, sir! Wow. Nailing the three to put Dallas in front by 10. Now it's time to bring it home. Can Dallas do it? Wiggins trying to prevent that from happening. Fourth quarter.
Nice.
Porzingis driving it. And Towns with a great block. Then nearly a throwaway. Teague runs down the loose ball. Corner three. And good for Josh Okogie. Luka against Okogie. Okogie on him. Late clock. And Luka with air ball to Porzingis! Another right place, right time moment. Finney Smith picks him up. Last minute. Wiggins, tough, drive and score. Vital fourth quarter minutes played tonight and played very effectively by Jalen Brunson. And here he is to the cup. Hardaway and Luka had a 3 for 3 and a 1 for 2 there, but it is a win for the